Yeah, my check, my check, my check. You're welcome to Club at 9. My name is Ola Harry, and today we're discussing crypto regulations. And let's see how we can continue to educate ourselves in the crypto space. And you guys know that's what we do on a daily basis. Tuesdays and Thursdays, we are always here on YouTube. My check, my check, my check. You're welcome. Yeah, we're always on YouTube. And Monday to Saturday we are always on Telegram. So thank you for joining me, guys. Always making sure that you guys are part of this journey. Okay, so if you can hear me, please don't hesitate to just drop hello on the comment section. Let me know that yes, I'm audible. My check, let me know I'm very, very audible. So help me send hello on the comment section. Let's do that, please. Let's do that, guys. Just send hello on the comment section. And don't also forget to like this video so we can get more recommendation from YouTube. More recommendation from YouTube. Keep liking, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for that. I'm always glad when you do this for me all the time. Okay, and you guys know I won't let you down to ensure I'm giving you guys constant information that will improve your portfolio. Now, don't also forget that I will talk about the promo, okay, the Bybit promo that we are running currently. So don't forget to always ensure you're using Bybit to carry out your trade so that you can be part of our $100 giveaway. Okay, we are giving away $100 this weekend. This Saturday we are giving out $100 on our Telegram. So guys, don't miss this. Don't miss this. And what you need to do is very, very simple. Very simple. And don't forget, keep dropping hello, keep dropping hello, keep dropping hello. Let me know that yes, we are together. Okay, and don't also forget to click the like button. And if you are here and you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, this is part of our project this year. We want to grow our YouTube channel to ensure we are dishing out wonderful information regularly. Yes, that is what we dedicate ourselves to do. Yeah, so how do you win our giveaway for Bybit? Very simple, very simple. I will drop the link for my that's my affiliate link to register for Bybit. When you register, it's easy for me to track. So you probably send me your UID. I will drop the form. You will send your UID so that I will confirm that yes, truly you actually use my link to register. After that, make sure you take our signals, trade with Bybit, and let me confirm that yes, you truly trade with Bybit. Okay, so if you can see my screen, come to derivatives. This is the Bybit app. Don't forget. Come to derivatives and click on all order. If you've been trading before, click on all order. Then on all order on this page, click on realize P&L. Can you see that? Realize P&L. So these are the trades that have been taken, right? So just click on this arrow here. Click on this arrow. Okay. When you click, it will show the result. Can you see the result? Can you see the result? That's the result. Okay, so since the result is there, screenshot it and send it. Okay, screenshot and send it. Okay, so after you've sent this, then also screenshot this. Okay, then I will drop the link to the form. So the form only requires your name and your UID. That's all. Okay, if you want to get your UID, come to home page, then click on profile at the top. Then this is your UID. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's just all about how to qualify. Then when we are done collecting all the names, then we come to wheels of names. Don't forget, we come here. Okay, let me go there. This is a website. So all the names will collect, all the names we just put everything here, and we spin the wheel. So when after spinning the wheel, anybody who wins the giveaway, then the person will get the money. So the only thing we are having now is we are going to create a pool on our Telegram to discuss either we're giving the money to one person, two persons, or five persons. Okay, that's what we're going to do. If you guys say we should give the money to one person, why not? That's it. Okay, so that's how to win and qualify for my giveaway. Okay, but make sure that you're using Bybit. Okay, and make sure you also register with my link. Then I have a lot of people on my WhatsApp. Okay, I have a lot of people on my WhatsApp. So they tell me, oh, I already have Bybit account. How do I still participate in this? And I'm like, since you already have an account, then you do not qualify. Okay, if you didn't use my link, because I'm using this to encourage those who are registered with my own link. Okay, I will not be promoting other people's business. I'll be promoting my own business. Okay, so I'm only encouraging those who use my link and they're trading on Bybit. Those are the people I'm encouraging. Okay, so you can also create another account with my link. So if you already have your email, you already used your email, then you can also use your phone number. Yeah, you can also use your phone number to create an account, and that's something that is very cool, and that's why we have that advantage. Okay, so you're not limited to creating one account. You can also use your phone number to create an account. So that's how it works. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, so if you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. I'll read it out, then I will answer them. Okay, so today, our topic for today is about regulation. So let's see what's going on. Yes. Now, if you observe, stable coins have been on the high verge of regulation, and looking at the way things are now, they really want to calm down on crypto. Okay, and you can see the advantage of decentralization. It's been very, very difficult. Now, the question is, how do stablecoin works? Okay, how do stablecoin works? Because stablecoins have been like our savior in the crypto space. They've been doing well, though we have some couple of issues with some projects, such as Lunar Terra, right? Yeah, but that's just one out of many. Now, stable coins are pegged with dollar 1-to-1, and the idea is, if your total market cap, you must have that amount at the bank. Okay, in which, for that to happen, we need to have that amount of money of the market cap. So let me show you. Yes, if you can hear me, please just drop your hello. Let me know that yes, I'm very audible. So let's come to CoinGecko. Okay, here's a CoinGecko. Now on CoinGecko, we'll probably see stable coins, the capitalization of all these crypto, and you can see that they are carrying a lot of money. Right now, this money must be in a bank account. Yes, so most of the stable coins bank account is situated in the US. Okay, now since that is the case, they're still trying to work on USDT, but the particular stable coin they are trying to clamp on is BUSD. Yes, BUSD has been facing a lot of heat in the US, and CZ already says, oh, we are good, and I think CZ will be coming online maybe in maybe 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. It will be online. Okay, so we probably want to listen to what it was, maybe alternative, but it's giving a lot of investors assurance that everything is good, in which I believe everything is good. But I think from the FTX issue, okay, in the US, they've been looking to regulate the stable coins. And the stable coins is actually giving the crypto space a lot of power. And if you observe, crypto also follow the stock market, follow the gold, follow the money, that's the commodity market. It follows everything. So because of that, I think they're trying to let crypto work on its own. Okay, which, and to me, I think it's still very fine. Now, this regulation will affect crypto. Okay, it's going to affect us. Now, look at this. We are trading futures, right? And believe me, when it comes to volatility in the market, it's to your own advantage. Okay, now for investors, now they are telling us that if there is no regulation, then the big money will not be coming into the space. You understand? The big investors also, they're also very, very vital when it comes to investment. Yes, big investors are also very, very vital, because when there are no big investors, the retail trader cannot sustain the system. That's the reason. They can't sustain the system for a long time. But the whales, the VCs, the capitalists, they are the one that has the volume, and those volume are what we more or less like an advantage to us. Okay, to we retail traders, those who are trading between $5,000 to $100,000. You understand? Yeah, and below. Okay, some are even trading below $100. Yes, these are all retail traders. So all the money bags still determine the market. Okay, and they believe that with regulations we're going to have more influx of investors. Right now, crypto actually doesn't need any mouthpiece. It can speak for itself based on the market's outcome. That's what determines the strength. But these days, news has really been affecting the crypto space, in which is fine, is very okay. And the reason why the news is affecting the crypto is because of USDT, or let's say stable coins in general. Okay, stable coins are paired to dollar, and if anything happens to US dollars, it will also affect stable coins. Okay, and indirectly it will have effect in the crypto space directly. I always like to keep things simple for simple understanding. Yeah? I don't like to make things complicated. So that's what I can tell you about crypto regulation. Now, how will it affect the market generally? I think CPI is coming today, and I think the market will gain a lot of, the USD will gain a lot of strength, and that simply means that what, a lot of money will be flowing into USD, right? And it will probably allow the crypto market to pull back a bit. Personally, about a week or two, I have already been bearish on BTC. Okay, my prediction on that has been let's see. Okay, this is it. Yeah, now we are coming all the way down to 21,000. Yes, so if you come to the 4 hours time frame, you will see a pullback around that level. There's a pullback around that level. Can you see that? Pullback. Yeah, okay. 4 hours. Yes, this is a 4 hours time frame. Okay, sorry, let's go to 1 week. 1 week. Yep. So on the 1 week time frame, I think it's going to be much more clear. Okay, let me use another BTC chart, so that because of those lines, so that you guys can see those lines very well. BTC USDT. Okay, so let's use Bybit. Okay, so this is it. So let me clear all this. Let me clear everything, clear all the drawings, so that now we have a clean chart. Okay, hold on. Yeah, let's make this very small. Okay, yes, yep. Now looking at this, can you see this is the 1 week chart? Look at this, the 1 week chart. So after, you can see the uptrend, that's the double bottom. Okay, we have uptrend all the way, then we have the pullback. Can you see? So the pullback is resting somewhere here. Yeah, can you see that? That's even around 20,000. Let me get a round figure. Yeah, let's say, yes, around 21,000. That's where we have the pullback. Okay, that's where we have the pullback. So pay attention to this area, 21,000. Okay, so let me mark it out. Around 21,000. Yes, can you see that? So that's we might probably find so the very sharp drop all the way down to 21,000, and what we're expecting is a pullback around that area. Okay, it's a pullback. So if it lose its strength, continue to drop, then we are looking around 18,000. Okay, but let's still keep our fingers crossed, and let's see how it works. Okay, but for now, that's the prediction for BTC, but I will still further analysis. I will still further the analysis. That's just a brief. So if crypto have to drop based on regulation now, as we speak, based on regulation, then it will drop all the way down to 21,000. Okay, so let's also check Fibonacci. Now another thing I want to tell you guys is this: if anything affect the crypto space, you guys know it always bounce back. It will always bounce back. The crypto space will always come back. So I don't think there's need to worry. And don't forget that if there's higher potential for either drop or a pump, it's to our own advantage. In as much as we are trading futures and you understand how to trade, you know how to trade. But if you don't know how to trade, I don't recommend you follow other people. What I recommend is stay out of the market. It's better you hold your money than losing it. Okay, it's better the one you have at hand, hold it, than losing the money. Okay, yeah, because the market is also prone to manipulation. Yes, they know everybody wants to short the market. A majority want to short the market. You understand? But they will pump it, liquidate your account, and the market will now start dumping. So you don't want to experience that. And there are ways we always respond to manipulation. Okay, you must draw out your areas of stop loss, take profits. You must draw them out. You must know how you want to manipulate the market, how you yourself want to play the manipulation game. But if you don't play the manipulation game very well, you might just fall victim, and you don't want to experience liquidation at this time, because most of all my members, I ensure that they understand how to avoid liquidation totally. Yes, how to avoid liquidation is very, very important. Okay, so now I can see a comment here. How can small account holder also do this? I mean, descending to bearish or bullish without being liquidated. Okay, yeah, I will. That's exactly what I'm explaining now. That's from media, Grossland Media. Okay, that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you now. Okay, so to avoid liquidation is very, very vital. It's very, very important, because if you don't know how to avoid liquidation, then you might probably fall victim, and you don't want that to happen to you. Okay, now the important thing is, now look at this. If you can see my screen, look at this area. Okay, now I want to use the news to trade the market, which is very fine. So we have this. So let's go down here. Okay, so this is the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, we can't you can't find your entry on the higher time frame. Okay, so since we already spot the area where we can spot the pullback. So before I conclude, let's use Fibonacci. Let's confirm from here all the way here. Yes, can you see? Yeah, even Fibonacci is giving us an entry to go long around 21,000. That's pulling back to that's the 0.3%. Can you see it? This is it. That's where the red line, the one I drew, that's what it is. Okay, if you draw from here. Okay, I also have a video on Fibonacci, so I think that will be good. That will be good for you to check. Okay, so that's for Fibonacci. Let me remove this. Okay, so now let's go to the lower time frame so we can spot a lot of candles and what those candles are really saying. Let's come here. Let's come to 4 hours. Yes, so we are now on 4 hours time frame. Okay, so you can see the way the market has been dropping. So we have downtrend, pullback. Can you see that? Downtrend, pullback. Okay, so here we have downtrend, but the market is trying to form a double bottom. Can you see it? 1, 2. Okay, and we are not far to what's it called? We're not far to our entry. Okay, to go long. Now this is long position. Okay. Can you see that? Yep. Okay, so for you to avoid liquidation, you know that the stop loss area, can you see? That's the stop loss area. So this is the position. I hope this is very clear. I hope you guys can see the stop loss area. Stop loss. Okay, this is the area. Can you see that? And this is the profit area. Profit. Yes, can you see that? Yeah. So that's how it works. So here, can you see? Now, for you to avoid liquidation, you have to calculate that, okay, if this market drops all the way down to 21,000, okay, if it drops all the way down to 21,000, I want to pick the trade at that level to go long. Am I right? Yes, to go long. Now, number one, before you don't set limit order. Okay, don't set limit order. Limit order can be very, very dangerous at this time. Okay, don't set limit order. Limit order is not what you will use. Now, before you place your entry, before you place any entry at all, you must wait for a reversal pattern. You know, this market is dropping all the way down here. Okay, so you must wait for a reversal pattern. Okay, for you, that will give you that signal to go long, like hammer, for example. Hammer. So that shows what? Buy pressure. Okay, buy pressure, and you must also look for wicks. Okay, you must look for wicks. You know, wicks to really give you that assurance that yes, the market is actually going up. Now, even after you've done all this, it doesn't mean you should go and relax, go and sleep. No, don't go to bed. Now, so mark out your stop loss area. Can you see? That is the stop loss area here, and the stop loss is saying how many percent? It's giving us 2.37%. Okay, it can be more or less. It depends on what you want. Now, you now do your calculation based on your account size. If I place my trade, if I place a trade now, if this trade goes against me, how much will I lose from my capital? You know, prepare your losses. Prepare it just in case. Okay, don't be in a rush to make a lot of money overnight. Don't be in a rush, right? Because if this trade plays out the way you plan it, you probably make more than you can afford to lose. You probably make more, right? But if the trade doesn't go your way, you will lose less. You understand what I mean now? So let me give a very simple example. Let's assume someone that has an $100 account, $100, Yeah, guys, don't forget, smash the like button, please. Smash the like button, and if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be so glad about that. I'll be so happy that you subscribe to my channel. Okay? Yes. Now you have $100. I'm still going to give a scenario for maybe $1,000 or $10,000, right? But let's start from the least, at least. Now with $100, you have a stop loss of minus 3.2%. Okay, so number one, you want to determine what will be my leverage. Okay, what will be my leverage? Because you see, even in the course of the trade, you can adjust, you can manipulate the way you want, right? But at the starting, as you're starting, okay, as you're starting, because market can be very funny, market can play out anyhow, but you have your short-term goal, you have your long-term goal. Now your short-term goal is, I will enter with, let's say, out of $100, I will enter with $2. Okay, now when the market drops, guys, don't worry, I will take your questions. Okay, I will take your questions. Just keep dropping your questions if you have any. Keep dropping your questions. I can see more questions are dropping. Okay, yeah, drop your questions. Yes, now you can see that using $2 out of $100 is still very realistic. At the beginning, you can start with 5x. See, all these things can be, even while in the trade, you can adjust it. Okay, you can increase to 10x, and you can increase your cost, or you can call it margin. Anyone you want to call it is up to you. Okay, you can increase your cost, or you can increase your margin. Right now, your first entry, you're actually using it to test the waters, understand what is going on in the market. Don't forget that, understand the structure of this business. Automatically, if this, even with the look of things, looking at what is going on right now in the 4 hours time frame, this is already looking at like head and shoulder. Can you see that? Head and shoulder, right? So, and when it comes to head and shoulder, that simply gives us what? A downtrend position. Yes. So what I'm about to explain to you guys is more or less like my masterclass information, but I won't give full details. But pay attention. If you pay attention, you will understand. Now in the masterclass, we have this strategy that we use, that we can use to reverse the market. Now look at this. So we have a double top. Okay, so definitely you have a double top. What happens? You want to take advantage of short position, right? Yes. But do you know that this double top can convert to double bottom and begin to go long? Look at this. Now the market came down. Okay, now here you already have your breakout. It broke out. You see, after getting to very little percentage, you can see another pullback, down, pullback. You see, it's forming. This is double bottom. 1, 2. This is another. This is double top. This is another double bottom. 1, 2. Already, this is already showing you a reversal automatically. What are you supposed to do here? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to just close the trade. Okay, because from down opportunity, that's from your short position, is already changing to what? Long position. Okay, you have to be able to identify this. Market is very, very cunning. Can you see that? From down to up. Yes, so I was talking about how to avoid liquidation. Now, looking at this, you will understand that here, after this drop down, a very fantastic trade. Downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Can you see? We're not having that, the same thing I just talked about. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Okay, now look at this. Normally this is what it should look like. Downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. You see? But now it's giving us what? A double bottom. Yes, a double bottom. That is it. Now what will you do in this situation? You will bring your trend line, okay, mark this area and also mark this area. Yes, so within this area, that's what you will use to observe the market. So what are you looking for? You look for breakout, up, pullback, up, down, pullback, down. So this is what you will trade. If you don't do this, you'll be confused, you will guess, and you will lose your money. Yes, you will guess and you will lose your money. Okay, so now that simply tells you that around this arena, by the time, we have to wait for CPI. Okay, so let's check the time for CPI. Let's go to investing.com. We are crypto traders. Okay, so I've already filtered news that are not important. That's why you're seeing my investing.com like this. I only need important news. Okay, and that's why you're seeing this three bulls. Okay, these are the news that I need. I don't need two bulls. You see some news, they only have two bulls. Okay, some even have just one. So that tells you that the effect of the news, the impact of the news is not really much. Okay, but if you have three bulls like this, that tells you that the impact of the news will affect the market movement. Okay, so let's see CPI. So it's going to be around 2:30. Can you see that? So I think we are very close to that time. We're very close. So the second one, yeah, everything is 2:30. So it's going to be hot. Guys, get ready. So why is it hot? We probably don't know. If that's why I said, if you don't understand how to trade the news, you can stay out of the market. You don't, because the market never goes anywhere. The market is always there. Okay, yeah, I think we won't stay up to 2:30. Yes, I wish we can stay up to that time. We won't stay up to 2:30. I will have been able to do the analysis. Now, well, within that time, we're going to see this candle moving in a very drastic. You see very big candles coming out around 2:30 Nigerian time. Don't forget Nigerian time. Okay, so you see those candles coming out. Okay, anyhow. Okay, so that's why you have to be very careful so that you don't get liquidated. Okay, and sometimes I personally edge the position. Okay, but you have to be a professional for you to do that, because my edge position, I will enter both long and short. I will take profit for both. Yes, I've done it several times, and both of them will probably take profit. Okay, so most of the time when I'm doing this, I'm always very conservative. I don't go radical. Very conservative. So in case the market is not going my way, I will simply just take that loss and I'm fine. You understand? You have to be very comfortable with loss. That's when you now begin to make good trades. Yes, I'm very comfortable. When you're comfortable with losses, you won't have any issue. Okay, you won't have any issue. But if you're not, then you still have a lot to do when it comes to understanding how to analyze the charts and follow your plan, the plan you've already marked out. Follow it. Okay, so if you have $100, if you have to enter this market to avoid liquidation, go in with just 2% of your capital. Some people will go with 20%, some people will go with 50%, some people will go with 10%. That's too much. If there is volatility, you will lose your entire account, and you don't want that to happen. I know what used to what the way how you started. Now this is it. You have $100. Okay, you enter with, let's say, $5. Now the market goes against you. You can see -$2, right? You're not like, oh, it will still come in my favor. It will still come in my favor. Okay, someone said they can't hear me. Okay, please, if you can hear me, kindly send hi. Just click on hi. Just drop hi for me. If you can hear me, drop hi. Someone said they can't hear me, so maybe you need to move out of the live meeting and come back, okay, so that it can refresh. If you can hear me, drop hi, please. Yes, thank you very much, guys. Yeah, I can see that. Yes, okay. As more people can hear me now, in as much as we have a lot of people in this call, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. It's very important for us, okay? We want more people to join us in this call, so smash the like button. Thank you very much. I will appreciate it. And if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important, so that whenever I drop my videos, you'll also be notified, okay? Yes, thank you for that. Yeah, I can see a lot of people sending hi. That simply means I'm very audible, okay? Yeah. Now, before I talk about the beginner's class or the advanced class, let's quickly talk about this account size. You heard what I said. When you are entering your trade, make sure that you don't use the large portion of your account. And look at this, is the reason why I love Bybit. Let me show you. Let's go to Bybit. Okay. Now for Bybit, for Bybit, it's very, very easy for you to compute your costs or your margin. Okay. Yeah, I think I have a very good account size for me to explain this. So I'm at derivatives. So I have 73 USDT. Can you see that? I want to trade. Okay, I want to trade. Now the question is, how many percent profit, how many percentage of this particular balance do I want to trade with? Very, very important. How much percentage am I trading with? Let's look at this. Okay, percentage. So here, just come to your calculator. Okay, just 2% of $73. You see, so 2% is around 1.46. Okay, 1.46. That's fine. It's very, very cool. Okay, so that's what we're going to work with. Now, for you to enter your trade on Bybit, it's very, very easy. Now, if you are very new, okay, if you're very new, don't forget, if you're very new, you can see these 3 dots. Okay, that's the menu. Click on it. Click on trading preferences. Okay, then make sure you are on edge mode. Okay, make sure you are on edge mode. Yeah, so when you're on edge mode, then you're good. Now what next? Here, this place, click on this arrow here. Click on the arrow. Yes, clicking on the arrow, then select order by costs. Okay, order by costs. This is the most easiest, very easy and straightforward. No stress. Okay, order by cost. Make sure that you select this. So I will explain. I will use that to explain. Select order by, I think by default is order by quantity also by default. So change it to order by costs. Yes. So when you see order by cost, you see here it will now be USDT. Okay. The next thing you need to do is, now, if you want to enter your trade, just enter 1.4. That's all. That is all. It simply means out of my $73, I'm trading with 1.4 USDT. Okay, That simple. Okay, you are trading with just 1.4 USDT out of 73.4 USDT. Simple and straightforward. Okay, that means what we are exposing out of our $73 is 1.4. That is the amount we are exposing. Now, the only little difference is that if you are on cross, then the entire the remaining balance becomes collateral for your leverage. Okay, I think that will be discussion for another day. I'll probably explain that another day. Okay, but what is important, the amount you are exposing. You see, now this is why I used to tell people. Now some people, they have $73. They will put $20. That's way too much. That is way too much. Okay, some people will put $50 because they want to make quick returns. Don't do that. Don't do that. I can tell you. Yes, don't do that. Okay, it's very, very dangerous to your account. These are the reason why people get liquidated easily. Okay, without any form of. So please don't. So if you have questions, drop your questions. Let me quickly answer some of the questions I saw on the screen. Okay, then I will continue. So guys, don't forget, still stay around. We're still going to generate signals. We're generating signals for different coins when we get to that level. Yeah, there's another thing I want to remember. I'm supposed to do at the beginning of this call. I didn't actually do it. I wanted you guys to drop your location where you are where you're joining from. So guys, if you can hear me clearly, can hear me loudly, drop your location. Are you talking from Lagos? Are you from UK? Are you from anywhere, any part of the world that you're talking from? Are you from the US? Are you from let's say maybe Kano? Anywhere you are joining us from, drop your location. Yeah, thank you very much guys. I'll be so glad to check on you guys. Yeah, so here, or you can also drop your flag. Yes. Now, what order will be ideal for the market's limit order isn't available? I'm finding it difficult to understand that question. Let me go to the next one. That's from Ghostland Media. Please, you have to rephrase your question, please, so I can get that. Please explain conditional and limits in Bybit. Conditional. Let me see. Conditional. Where is the conditional here? Conditional. Yeah, mic check. Yes. Okay. Let's see. On what time frame can we find the hammer? Okay, on your depending on the kind of trading style you adopt. Okay, if you are a day trader or you are a swing trader, we need to know, so that on your lower time frame, that's where you need to go and look for your entry. Okay, that's where you look for your entry. Look for your entry at the. So if you're a day trader, your higher time frame is 4 hours. Your trend time frame is 1 hour, and your entry is 15 minutes. So you're looking for hammer around 15 minutes time frame. Yes, I can see different locations that are coming out. Can you add to your position even in the, yes, against you? Yes. If the market is going against you, and you are adding to your position, is what we call replenishment. Okay, if you understand replenishment, then you know what I'm talking about, because it will bring your entry closer. If you go and watch my video that talks about dollar cost average, go and watch the video. It will explain very well for you. So guys, drop your locations. I'll be so glad I can see someone from Italy. Thank you very much. Someone from let's see, it's refreshing. Castina, Ogun State. Thank you very much, guys. Drop your location. Thank you. Let me see. I want to read out more location, please. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys are learning something. Okay. Yes, I can see from Abuja, Nigeria. Thank you very much. From Italy, you're welcome. That's Harriet Unyong, Robert. Then Engineer Kolawole from Port Harcourt. Thank you very much for joining me. Okay. Thompson, Abuja, you're welcome from Abuja. How you doing? Then Abel Jr. from Edo State, Nigeria, you're also welcome. Samuel Emmanuel from Abuja, thank you very much for that. We have Amaya Joe from Castina. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Thank you for joining me. We also have Ayodele Olusegun from Ogun State. Thank you very much for coming around. Sylvan, okay, you said conditional limits are at the market. Please, you need to rephrase your question. I find very difficult to understand that question. Conditional limits are at market area selection. Let me check. Market area. Oh, okay. Conditional. Okay, I've seen it. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I get what you're saying. And I can see. I'll talk about that. I'll explain that later. Just hold on. Yeah. So we have Lori Baby from Lagos State. Yeah, thank you very much, Lori Baby. We have Cynthia from Abia State. You're welcome. Thank you very much. We also have Patience Ajoke from Ebonyi. Thank you for joining us. Then we have Blue Smart Media from Lagos. Thank you very much for joining us. Yeah, Madugu from Kaduna. Thank you very much for coming around. Emma from Edo State. Thank you very much for joining us. Emma Eze. We also have Chidema from Port Harcourt. Thank you for joining us. T Mama from Port Harcourt. Yeah, T Mama is in the house. How you doing, T Mama? Oge Hope from Lagos. Thanks for joining us, Oge Hope. Okay, if you use small margin to open a trade and it goes in my favor and I keep adding money. Yes. Okay, I think this question is very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. That's from Samuel Emmanuel. I will answer your question now. So I will answer the question in two ways. Okay? In two ways. If the market is going against you, should you add more money? Okay? Then if the market is in your favor, should you add more money? Yes, I will explain on both sides so that you understand what will happen to your account. Yes. Yeah, so we can see from Ozewell Smith from Lekki. How are you? Thank you for joining us as well. Theophilus from Lagos. Thank you. Grace Apan from Akwa Ibom. Thank you very much for joining us. Yeah, we also have Marion Harry from Lagos, Nigeria. We have Yaya from Lagos. Does that mean that with the hammer candle, you can place your entry immediately? Yes. If you find the hammer candle on the lower time frame, you can place your trade. Yes, that's already a sign for you to enter. I'm going to show you one of my trade. Yes, I will show you one of my trade. Yes, that I entered. Was it not last night? Yes, last night. When immediately I saw the hammer, I entered, and the trade was good. It was the result I posted on my status. Yes, I posted the result on my status. Okay. Yeah. So we also have Elizabeth Olawale from Ondo State. We have Joseph Marion from Abuja. Thank you for joining us. We also have Chidi from Warri, Delta State. Thank you very much for joining us. Then we also have Oyedele from Ogun State. Thank you very much, guys. Yes, you guys have really done well. Yeah, I can see that it's much more interactive, identifying where we are joining from. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, moving on very fast. Let me quickly answer some questions. Okay. So the candlesticks, let me show you a trade. So focus on my screen. Let's go to Ethereum. That was yesterday night. Yes, around 10 p.m. thereabouts. I will show you. Around 10 p.m. Yes. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame on heat. Look at this on heat. Look at this. Can you see that? So I have pullback. Okay. Sorry, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Yes, you see. So already this is already giving us a sign that there will be what? A reversal. So we have 1, we have 2. That's double bottom. So we have uptrend, pullback. Immediately I spotted that pullback. I wanted to place my entry here, but it's dangerous. Okay, it's dangerous. Okay, and I will tell you why it's dangerous. Look at this. Now, if you place your entry here, your imaginary stop loss is around here. Can you see that? And if you measure, that's a lot. I want to go long. So you place your entry here. Can you see? Your stop loss is around 1.6. You see? So the question is, can you bear that strength? Can you bear that loss if it happens? That's the question. Okay? That will be your stop loss. But I have to wait. I hold on. Then I saw this trend. Boom, all the way. Right? Instantly I updated that, okay, we've now confirmed the uptrend. Then wait for pullback. Look at it. Very easy. Wait for pullback. Can you see it? Can you see that? So here, yes, I placed my entry here. In short, that's the reason why you are seeing this yellow line. I placed my entry here, exactly here. That when I saw that, when I saw this, that's a spinning top. Okay, this is a spinning top. So after the spinning top, we have a momentum candle. Can you see it? Which makes it a morning star uptrend. I think that's a bit advanced. That's for masterclass, right? If you don't understand that, just don't stress it. What you're looking for here is what? Hammer. Okay, so after the closure of this particular candle, okay, we have a downtrend. So I saw that buy pressure. Then I decided to say, let me enter. Okay, so this is exactly my entry, and everything went well. Okay, so when I saw the market was struggling around here, from here, I left the trade over the night. If you check the date, if you check the time, here, that's around, in short, it was 2:30 a.m. in the midnight, you see. So all the way till morning, that's 8. Can you see that? So around here, I just closed my trade. That was where I closed my trade. Okay. So there was another pullback, which I was not even sure. I don't even know what's going on there. So I didn't even get myself involved. Okay. I didn't get involved in this, but it was an uptrend, which is very fine, which looks very cool. Okay. So I've already made my profit. I'm cool, and that's how trading is. You don't have to be very greedy. If you want to let your trade to take longer, then do your analysis on the higher time frame and be very patient. Okay, be very patient. So that's it. So you can see how it pulls back. So we have from here uptrend. In short, let's check 1 hour time frame. Yes, beautiful. Now on the 1 hour time frame, if you have to use this impulse correction strategy, okay, so this is from here to here is an impulse all the way, pull back, that's correction. You see, impulse correction, you see that? Okay, but based on my own experience, looking at this, manipulation is coming. Let me show you. So looking at this particular now, the way market actually pull, a lot of people are actually very scared, so they are moving out of the market, right? So look at this around here. So from here, supposed to move somewhere around here. Okay, then pull back here like this. Understand? Then continue the uptrend. But you can see that this particular momentum candle here, okay, it actually lost a lot. Yes, can you see it? That week. So already, if I look at this trade, I won't enter this trade. Yes, I won't. Okay. So it all depends on your experience. Make sure that your experience speaks for you. It's very important, because why are you trading all this while if your experience will not determine your actions? It's very dangerous. Okay. So I hope that is very clear. That's for those who need to wait for hammer to form before you enter. Very, very vital. Wait for your hammer to form, or a reversal pattern. Yes. So let me take more questions. So guys, drop your questions, drop your states, drop your location. Yes, let me answer the second question. Now this is Bybit, or let me use open space. Yes. Now this is your entry. Please, this is a bit technical. Please pay attention. Let's say 1,350. Okay, that is it. So you want to go long. This is your entry. Okay. Now let's assume that this market is going in your favor. This is a coin market. Okay, let's make it green, right? Now, if the market is in your favor, look at this uptrend, right? Now here, let's say you are already on 50%. Yes, you're already in profit. Now, if you add more money, depending on how much you are adding, this is your entry, right? Your entry will change. Let me make this guy yellow. We always use yellow as entry. So your entry will change somewhere here, okay, in which your percentage will also reduce to, let's say, 25%. Now, initially it was 50%. Yeah. So if you add more money to this, your entry will change. Let me off the comment because it's blocking our view. But you can still post your comments, okay? Continue to post your comments. I hope I'm audible. If you can hear me, please drop high. If you can hear me, drop high. Okay, I think I need to open the comment section. If you can hear me, please drop high, drop high, drop high, high, high. If you can hear me, drop high. I've opened the comment section. Let me confirm that I'm audible. But it seems the network is a bit poor. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Drop high if you can hear me. Drop high, drop high, drop high. Okay, let me confirm that before I continue. I hope I'm audible. Let's see. Yes, guys, thank you very much. Yeah, I can see you guys can hear me. I've seen all your response. Okay. Yeah, I can see a lot of high. Yeah, beautiful. So that shows that I'm very horrible. So thank you. Now, looking at if you can see my screen, then you can see that here, this is our first entry. So we entered with, let's say, $5. That's our first entry. Then we're already on 50%. 50%. That's 50% return on equity. Okay. Then that means that our profit is $2.5. Okay. Now we now added another $5. Okay. So this 50% will change to 25%. Okay. But our profit still stands. Our profit still stands. Okay. But if there is a pullback, it will hit into the profit. Don't forget. Okay. It will hit into the profit. That's it. That's the disadvantage. But if you continue to appreciate in value, then you continue to make more money. Yes, that's how it works. You continue to make more money. I hope you understand that. So let's look the reverse. Okay, so let's move this short. So we have this entry. So let's reduce. So this is your first entry, $5. Market has already moved by 50%. You added another $5, right? So now the percentage, okay, sorry, the reverse, the one I want to explain is when the market is against, yeah, not when you are in profit now. When the market is not in favor. So here you're on minus 50%. You know, the one I explained, the first one was you were in plus 50, but here you are in minus 50, right? So you invested $2. That's your entry. Now you're in minus 50. You now added another, let's say $3. Okay, so your entry will no longer be 1356 anymore. Your entry will now be somewhere here, maybe 1364. Okay, by adding that money, because you even added double, right? Then your entry will move closer to your current price. Your entry will move closer to the current price. So that, can you see the difference now? Yeah, if it is the other one, when you add more money, when you add more money, your entry will come close. Yeah, well, your entry will come closer, in which it will reduce your percentage, that's your ROE. Okay, it will reduce it, it will not increase it. Okay, but here it will reduce your minus. It might put it around, let's say minus 10%. So you have about 10% to move into profits. Okay, but it's going to be minus. Yeah, it's going to be minus. No matter how much you had, it's going to be minus. So if the market now move in your favor, you now be in what? Plus, let's say 20, depending on your profits. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, let's take more questions. Yeah, I can see more people dropping their location. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. I hope I'm audible. Yes. Okay, so guys, let's start to drop our coins. Coins you want to analyze. Let's start to drop our coins. Let's start to drop our coins. Yes, my check. We are back online. So I can see AVAX, I can see GIT. Okay. Okay, guys, so I can see the YDX. So yeah, let's go right into it straight off. So let's start from AVAX. Okay, so what's going on here? Let's see. Yes. So let's go to 4 hours. I think for AVAX, you can still use BTC analysis. So if you can hear me, if I'm audible, please say send hi. Just type hi in the comment section. Type hi in the comment section, please. Don't forget to smash the like button. Smash the like button, guys. I'll be so glad if you do that. And don't forget, if you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel. Yeah, thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so before I start to do analysis on different coins, so guys, drop the coins you want to do and you want analysis so that you can take your signals. So if you are part of our new members, you are highly welcome. We also recognize a lot of our new members as well. We have three major classes we run on weekly, day in and day out. We have the beginner's class, which helps those who are just starting to learn trading, start to come to cryptocurrency. Okay, let them know their left from their right. Let them not fall into different scams. So that's why we took our time to continue to guide you to trade properly. So our beginners class also is on Telegram, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we're having our beginners class today. Today, Tuesday, we're having our beginners class. So guys, if you want to join us, the room is still open. Just message me on Telegram. I'm going to drop the link of our Telegram channel on this particular call, so you can copy it and you can join us in the beginners class. Yeah, now our advanced class is free for everybody, but that's the reason why we are here. Our advanced class also cover these YouTube lessons. Here we give you information generally about the crypto space. We can come up with different topics. We do daily analysis of BTC. So, and if you haven't joined our beginner class, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, you might find all this discussion very, very strange. If you join the beginner class, it will really help you a lot to ensure that you are on the right path. Yes, to ensure that you're on the right path. So that's also very, very vital. And on YouTube, we are always on YouTube on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We are on YouTube Tuesdays and Thursdays. So don't forget to join us as well. And other days, we are on Telegram. Okay? We are on Telegram. So that's how it works for us. And let's see how we can manage your time for you. We also have the last class, which is masterclass. We deal with strategies. We believe that those who are in masterclass, they know how to trade. So you want to be profitable. You want to ensure that you want me to guide you one-on-one. Okay? Then join the masterclass. And we also have our class for masterclass Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. 8 p.m. Nigerian time. For the beginners class is 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay? So if you're interested, you are highly welcome and you can join us anytime as you wish. Okay? So guys, thank you very much. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. I will read it out and I'll answer your question. Okay, so I've seen a lot of coins, so you can still drop more coins. Okay, so we have AVAX, we have GRT, we have DYDX, we have WOO, we have ROSE. So let's quickly dive into all those charts and see how we can predicts. Okay, so looking at this structure is very similar to the one of the BTC. So let's follow up. So on the, you can still put another line here. Okay, it's almost breaking out. But I think this line, the first one, is more important than this one. But let's leave it like that. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the markets already have a double bottom. Okay. So what you need to do is to capture this area, capture the bottom area, and also capture the upper area. Okay, then wait for a pullback. This is on the 1 hour time frame already. Let's make this red. Yes, so you can trade the breakout. I think trade the breakout makes a lot of sense. Okay, so you can either break out like this, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay, so that's cool. And you can see already here, I think it's going to be an uptrend. Okay, but it's already broken out from here. But the breakout, let it break out well. Wait for pullback before you place your entry. Don't forget your armor. Yeah, so let's look at the lower time frame. We'll probably see more candles, so I can express that area for us. So can you see that? The question is what's going on here. Can you see? So firstly, we have double bottom. We have uptrend, pullback. Let's check the pullback. So really, it's not really forming the way you want. So you have to be very careful, because you have to be able to mark out your stop loss, your take profit, your entry. But looking at this, the best way that I think you can trade this is allow it to break out from these two lines. Okay, yeah, but for now, what you're seeing here are just consolidation. Okay, just take it like that. It's better you trade the breakout. That will make a lot of sense, so you won't be guessing the market. So that's it. So let's go to the YDX. I can see sushi. Okay, let's go to higher time frame. On the higher time frame, what do we have? Yeah, very nice. Let me remove this. Okay, so we have downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. You see? So here, market is still struggling. So looking at this, you can see that this market is really struggling to peak. Okay, it's really struggling to peak. So you have to be very, very vigilant. Now look at, if we have to use this area here, you can see that there's a breakout. You see, after the breakout, there's a pullback. So this is a very good entry, right? You win all this. Now, with the current status now, you have to mark these two areas, mark those two areas. So wait for another breakout. It might be to the upside, maybe to the downside. Okay, so wait for it, because looking at this, what's going on here, you'll be guessing. But let's be sure. If we might have something good around this area here until we check the lower time frame. Let's see. On the 1 hour time frame, what do we have? Yes, you can see that we are now looking at something different. So here we have a downtrend. Okay, then already it's already looking like a double bottom around here, but it needs to break out. from here. Okay, there needs to be breakout area from here to here. So you can use this breakout to trade. Okay, breakout here to trade. So this I think this is not bad. This looks so cool. Yeah, this looks so cool. So if you have to go short, use this. This will be your stop loss. Take profits. Yeah, can you see that? If you have to trade this particular DYDX, this is the analysis. Okay. Then go to 15-minute time frame. So here, if you zoom, you can see that we have it's consolidating around that area. So let's move back a bit. Yes. So consolidation. So I think you can trade the breakouts. Trade the breakout. So that's the zone you have to look at here from here. Okay, so let's check sushi. For sushi, so here we have this. Let's see. Let's check the 4 hours time frame. What's really going on here? Okay, structure looks very different from others. So this was a trade after this downtrend pullback. You can see there's an entry here to win all this, but that has already happened. So with this, yeah, it's also consolidating around here. Capture it. So it has been captured. Okay. To the higher time frame. Though you have to consider the market as downtrend. Just consider the market as downtrend. Yeah. If I were you, I won't trade this coin. I'll just leave it alone. Coin structure is very, very poor for now. Okay, it's not really giving a good direction. But make sure when you're trading this, you're not guessing. So here, yeah, okay, so I can see another area here that's waiting for breakouts. Yes, so this is it. So if there's a breakout to the upside, up, pull back, so it's coming back to this entry. So let it break out from there. That's for uptrend. And if it's going to be a downtrend, it's very, very corny. If it's going to be a downtrend, wait till it gets to around here. Yep. So we have to ignore this. Okay. But wait till it gets somewhere around here before you decide. Or if I were you, I will probably take another coin. Okay, so which other one do we have? We have Engineer Kolawole. All this coin, only you. You have to take it easy. So Woo. So for Woo, let's see. In the 4 hour time frame, what do we have? Let's see the structure. It's still a downtrend. Okay. Still up, down, down, pull back, down. Yeah, this, I think this is much more clearer. So we have pull back around this area here. Yes, that's a very good entry. So let's check the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, you can see, yeah, this coin is really doing well. So it's already confirming another downtrend. This is a downtrend. Yes. But if BTC goes bullish, I think it will destruct this coin. Yeah, it will destruct it. Might end up coming around here before it pulls back. Okay, let's go to 15-minute time frame. But I'm also interested in trading this particular coin. The setup is very clean. Okay, so yeah, it has a very nice entry. The structure looks very tradable. You can see. So here, from this entry all the way here, that's about 8%. That's not bad, and our stop loss is about 1.2%. Yes, and as I said, I'm so interested in this coin. It has a very nice structure. Okay, so let's see. Outclair. Who again? LTP. Let's check LTP. Okay, LTP. Sorry, LTP. And this is LPT. LTP. Are you sure there's a coin like this? LTP. I can't find any coin here. Please expatiate on that. So let's check ape. Okay. In the 4-hour time frame, let's see. What do we have? Yeah, this from here, downtrend, pullback, and let's confirm the pullback. The pullback didn't actually get here. It was almost, yeah. So normally the pullback was supposed to hit here before you go down, but didn't hit. So let's go to the lower time frame. No entry yet, but it's a downtrend, confirmed. Okay, let's see. Around here, it seems to do well. Let's zoom. Okay. Yeah, I can see this. I can see your hammer. So, and after the entry, so we have this uptrend. The market came down again, So I think for you to take this trade, let's see. Yeah, if you have to go long, make sure that you cross this trend line. Yes. So this a descending triangle. Descending triangle. Yes, can you see that? Descending triangle. So wait for breakouts as well from this triangle. I think it's going to be a good entry for me. That's for ape. Okay, Jeremiah LPT. Okay. Okay, let's check LPT. Okay. Okay. The LPT actually trying to give a very good structure. Yes. So LPT, looking at this, let's check. this won't work. So it's already giving us a double bottom, and it's looking very strong. Okay, so we want to wait for the coin to break out from that area. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, though it's not looking clean, but let's try. So I think it's going to be up, down. It's consolidating around that price. 15 minutes. Yeah, I think if I were you, I won't trade the coin. I'll just leave it alone. Yeah, okay. Temi Tope asks, how can I know where to enter a trade, exit the trade, and take profit? That's a lot of questions. You need to learn how to trade itself. Okay, that question already shows that maybe you're a beginner or you're trying to learn the trading yourself. Okay, so it's better you join the beginner's class so that you can get it clearly. The money you use to join beginner's class, don't go and lose it to the market. The better you learn. When you have knowledge is with you for life. It's never a waste. Okay, so that's what I would advise you. Without your question, you need to learn, because you need to understand the top-down analysis. You need to understand psychological level. You need to understand time section. There's a lot of things you need to understand before that question comes up. Okay, that shows that you need to get a lot of trading experience. Yes. So here we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend. But I'm not convinced with this pullback. That's the problem. I'm not convinced. Just like this. Yeah. Like this. But let's see. But for you to plan your entry and exit, you need to plan within this line. That will determine your entry and exit. Then rows, let's check the rows. That should be the last one. Let's check rows. Yeah, okay. Let's see. This looks very good. Okay. This pullback is very strong. Very strong. This coin, if you're not careful, this coin will liquidate you. The structure is very funny, but let's see. Let's go. Yes, I can see that. Okay. So with this, yes, I think it has already broken out. It's a very good entry. I will do this. It didn't align well. So instead of entering from here, I'll rather wait. But you have to monitor this trade actually for you to get something good out of this particular you have to monitor it very well. Monitor here. Then another easy way out is to use Bitcoin analysis to trade this coin. Okay, so if your Bitcoin is giving you uptrend, just come and buy this coin. If it's giving you a downtrend, just come and short the coin. Okay, yeah. So guys, we have reached the end of today's live meeting. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys for coming around. If you really enjoyed this live YouTube class, just drop okay. Just drop okay for me in the comment section. Just drop okay for me. I'll be so happy to see that. Yeah, I saw something now. Yes. Yeah, this coin is you can use this trend line to trade this coin like this. The coin is going up. I can tell you. Okay, yeah. Yes, I think this place is also a very good entry. In short, as it is now, I will trade this rose. I'll keep monitoring it. Okay, so if you have to trade this is your entry, this is your stop loss. Ouch. Hold on. Yeah, what I'm looking at here is that the stop loss is way too much. You see, our advice don't trade this coin. The volatility is very high, very high. I'm not sure you can handle the minus. I'm not sure, but you will enjoy the profit. I'm not sure if you can handle the minus. Okay, so that's it. Yes guys, so I'll see you guys tomorrow on Telegram by 11 a.m. Nigerian time. Then today we're having our beginners class by 4 p.m. Guys, get ready. I am ready. I hope you are. Yes, you will see that this trade is going to be an uptrend. Yes, so just wait for your hammer. But the funniest thing is that immediately this trade is going down like this, just close the trade. Don't even wait. That trade is too dangerous. So let me go here. Let's check those. This is it. I think I've traded this before. Okay, it's not here. So whenever you are trading a new coin you've never traded before, you have to change it to edge position. Okay, so you now have this. Yeah, so you can now trade. So let's start with $1. Let's go long. Okay, so I already opened a trade on rose. Now this is what I'm going to do. If I spot an hammer, then I will add more. So that's it. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So don't forget to smash the like button. Smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Then I'll see you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. But for beginners class, we are going to meet by 4 p.m. Bye for now. Enjoy your rest of your day.